Have you ever found yourself trying to eke out space on a page for just one more line to keep it from going over to the next page in Google Docs? Yeah, me too. In this video, we'll tackle those pesky rogue lines that just want to go over to the next page in an online doc. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. You're trying to adjust the margins at the top and the bottom, and that one line just keeps going over to the next page, whatever you do. At this point, the question you want to ask yourself is, will this Google Doc need to be printed? Because if you don't have to print it, you can actually switch the layout over to what's called pageless view, which means no more struggling trying to get a straight line to be a little bit less individualistic and stay with the rest of the lines on the previous page. It will no longer mess with the flow of your document, as this action will actually turn off the pagination and have your file display as one long endless canvas. In this view, your document will have more of a web page feel to it. Let me show you how to do this and what this looks like. Click the File menu and select Page Setup. Now switch the document to Pageless view and click OK to save. That's all. Of course, like I mentioned, this works best with files that don't usually get printed. If a file does get printed, showing the pagination can actually help you see how it will print. And there are also other methods to help with those pesky lines that just want to jump over to the next page by themselves. But that's for another day. If you would like to get best practices about that, drop me a comment, please. If this tip helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.